Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a cute little turtle amigurumi. It's a fun, cozy project that's perfect for gifting to someone special. Don't worry, it's pretty easy and I'll guide you through every step. This is just one part of the turtle and I have other videos showing how to make the top shell, the bottom shell, the head, legs, tail, and how to assemble everything. So you can follow along and finish the whole little turtle. Grab your yarn and hook and let's dive in. The materials you'll need are a 3.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a counter, a stitch marker, green yarn, and beige or tan yarn. We'll start with the top shell. Using the green yarn, make a magic ring. If you're not sure how to make one, or you need a quick refresher, I have a shorter video showing exactly how to do it. You should have a total of 6 stitches. Next, we're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. This is called an increase stitch. It helps a piece grow bigger. By the end of this round, you should be looking at 12 stitches total. Go ahead and place a stitch marker here. That way you know where the round ends. Now, we'll single crochet in the first stitch, then put 2 single crochets in the next. Just keep doing this all the way around. By the end of this round, you should have 18 stitches total. Now, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. Again, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around. By this round, you should have 32 stitches. Now for the next 3 rounds, just single crochet in every stitch around. Nice and easy. We've reached the end of round 8. Next, we'll make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn through. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to check the playlist for all the turtle parts, and if you make one, I'd love to see it, so share your finished turtles in the community section.